Trigger warning, this video shows 3 kittens, all premature. The 4th kitten was stillborn and is shown wrapped in a blanket several times. As of recording, the 3 live babies are doing fine and are being incubated currently. At the time of recording, I did not realize that the babies were premature until after I weighed them. Should we get that baby on a nice piece of fabric? Hold this, Juniper. Where's...
Your glove?
I need you to go grab a blanket, please.
Okay. Hold.
Ouch.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay.
I'll get a blanket.
Not one of those, a little one.
Here's one.
I know, but that one's under her. I need you to go find like one of the cat blankets, please. Hey! Okay, Google, stop all speakers. Okay, now I need you to probably go out.
Ow. No.
I'm gonna have another baby. Let me help you, okay? You lay down, baby. I know, I'm sorry. I know. Hush, baby. Just putting the blanket down. Blanket down. I didn't want it on the bare shelf. So she chose my daughter's dresser drawer rather than the area we had prepared for her. Would you mind going to get me a glass of water? I haven't had a drink yet today. I'll let you know if another baby is coming, okay? Is there another one coming? Are we having another baby? Yeah? You're doing so good, Diamond. You're doing so good. Are we having another? Those little white claws, oh my gosh. Mama's name is Diamond. She's a foster cat. Oh, she's pushing. You having another one? What's going on? You having another baby? You having another? Yeah, you're doing a good job, Mommy. You're doing so good, Mama. You're doing so good, Diamond. You're doing so good, Mommy. Hi, Diamond. Hi, beautiful girl. Your baby's under you. Your baby's under you. Oh.
I just want to pet that thing. It's such a cute little thing.
She's a precious baby, huh? I haven't actually seen if it's a boy or a girl, though.
I'm gonna name it Pearl.
Damon, did you have a pearl? there another one coming? I think so.
But hey, Heather.
I know.
Oh, I think Jackson's coming this. Huh?
You can tell him you just needed to go potty as well. Diamond, you're doing so good, baby. Doing so good. Proud of you.
We're so proud of you. Sit down, Jackson. Oh, look at all that fur.
She's having her kittens.
Yeah.
I don't want everyone to come in, okay? You can take a peek.
It's right here.
She's gonna have more. You're doing so good, Diamond. I'm proud of you. I'm so proud of you. How many do you expect? She only had one so far, but I definitely expect more. Look at this belly. You're doing so good, Mama. I'm so proud of you.
Tiny claws. Look at those.
Mm-hmm.
Look at those. Why you pulled one of my drawers out is so you can put Mama Cat in there.
Actually, Mama Cat got in there on her own because Jennifer had the straw pulled out a little. So she squeezed her way in and then back behind and inside the next drawer.
So we had to move the drawer so we could see. Come on. I just wish I could pet it. Me too.
Oh, she's pushing. That means another one's coming.
Ooh, let's watch.
I'm gonna have another baby, Mama. You're doing so good. Are you sure? Oh, good.
That's really cute.
I don't think she's in the kitten's nursing, is it, Jennifer? Looks like it's on her leg. She's doing so good. Good, Mama.
She's cleaning it, baby. That means she's gonna get a bath. Yeah. I think she's like her foot. It's meowing.
Oh, she's looking for milk. Maybe we can help her find some, but on our own too.
How can we help her?
There's no way. You don't need to help, okay? You can help her the most by just being quiet and giving her space.
Baby space.
Giving Diamond space.
And the baby.
Yeah. Find a nipple. I found a nipple. Probably not. She's pushing. You're doing so good, Diamond. You're doing so good, Princess. You're doing so good.
What is the baby even doing? What is the baby even doing?
It's just trying to find milk.
It's going back where it came out. It's Backward.
Stop asking, please. It's not good for them, for people to touch them. There's another one coming, I think. Oh. What am I seeing? Am I seeing a blanket or a baby being born? I can't tell.
Blanket.
She's pushing. She's pushing.
Tapping the blanket.
Doing good, Diamond. Keep pushing.
Why are you putting that forward on there? Why are you putting that?
I didn't do that. Someone else did. Look, there's people. You're pushing. You're doing so good, princess.
And another one did. And that baby's watching us.
Oh, did one just come out? Yep. What color is that? White?
I don't know. Ew.
Yeah, they're covered with a sack when they come out, and she has to eat the sack off.
Ew.
It's not you. It's natural. It's okay, just leave it. And now there were two.
What should we name the second one?
Sure.
Snowball. Snowball.
Opal.
Snowball.
Just let her relax and get her baby out of it. Doing so good, Mama.
Why does she have to eat the sack off?
It's just how it works with cats.
But with humans, the doctor can take off the sack. And they don't eat it. Baby died. Then it's time to her out.
Good job, Diamond. There's your baby. Or black, I can't tell. Unfortunately, we lost number 2. Number 2 was born with its intestines out.
We lost number 2.
Yeah. There's our 2. Oh, that one found a nipple, I think, right away. That first one doesn't look like it's finding one easily, though. Oh, that one's beautiful.
What is?
This new one.
Oh, yeah, it is. Well, I was holding my cry in.
It's okay. It's okay to cry. It's okay not to cry.
Yeah, and it's okay to hold your cry in.
That second one is. That second one, that gray looking one is super energetic. It's going to be doing just fine.
I only hope that my cry when Mama's isn't here. That's the only reason. Which kind of cat is it?
I'm not sure yet. I can't tell.
This is Jack.
Jackets, yep. She's having her babies in the jackets drawer.
Oh, 2 heights.
Okay, guys. If you do not want to see the baby that didn't make it, turn your eyes away now because I'm going to show you it. This little guy didn't make it. Unfortunately, that was number 2. And he or she was born with their intestines outside their body, so at first I just thought it was the umbilical cord or the placenta, but it was not. I know, that's why you're sad, sweetheart.
I'm telling
I think it might be a calico, this new one. It's very cute.
Calico? That's my favorite little kind. That's one of my favorite kinds. A calico? Why is a calico cat doing inside Diamond?
What's a calico cat doing inside Diamond? Well, you don't know what the daddy looked like. The daddy could have looked like anything. Any color of cat can have any color of kitten.
Let's lay down. Yeah, you read my mind.
Mm-hmm. There they both are. They're so pretty. You're doing such a good job, Mommy.
I want to see it. I want to see the third one. We can pet that one.
Yeah.
So we know how the other ones feel.
Oh, they're so precious.
No, there's two in there.
Yeah, she had a little calico one.
Yeah, but Josh, this one that I'm holding right now was the same.
We'll probably make it a little grave or something.
Probably make it a little grave. Her babies. Yeah, she's giving her back. So she's giving
Oh my goodness, this one's gonna be so cute. It's got like a little Batman mask on, like light eyes around its eyes.
Yeah, I want that one. I want Batman Callie.
Okay, guys, let's be quiet so she can have more, okay?
Batman.
Oh, that one's so precious. No, it's okay. I've got it.
No, look, it's a Black Panther.
Instead of Black Panther.
No, Black Panthers
Oh
are
my
wild.
gosh, it's so cute.
It's Marilyn.
Hold the kittens, buddy.
We can only hold the one that's dead. Oh,
Oops, that's okay.
we can only hold the one that's dead and pet it.
Okay.
Where's the one that's
Shh,
dead?
guys, let's not talk about it anymore. Oh, someone sent me something awesome.
Watch it.
Did you watch that scary movie? That's way too scary. It was too scary for me.
Yeah, when I was
What
kidding.
dreams?
What are Squid Games?
It's a scary movie.
What are Squid Games, though?
It's just the name of a scary movie.
You mean Scary Games? Yeah, there's scary games of it, too. You never want to play them.
Babies, okay?
He's pushing. Did.
You think your mom's on here giving us roses?
Yes.
That one's a strong baby. You're a strong baby, aren't you, little Batman?
No, I named him Callie. His name is Callie. Not Batman. Callie. Yeah. It's and he had like a little Batman suit.
Then, oh, they find into boobies. It looks like they're looking.
Look at that. I just want to pet it. Me too. I want to pet the calico. Callie. Yeah, me too. But we can only pet the dead.
Shh, guys. Let's not talk about the dead one while we have the live on, okay? The live video. We can talk about it later, though. 10. I think we have 10 cats right now with these two.
No. Bowie.
I counted.
Oh,
Bowie.
we forgot Kika. Oh, yeah. Oh, so
Isn't Kika one of the 4?
Oh.
I'm getting tired, Mama. Babies is exhausting, isn't it?
We forgot Daddy, too. 6 fosters. Hey, guess what? When me and Josh were born at the same time, my mom did have a cut open too.
A C-section, yeah.
And then
Hey. Don't play with that, okay? It's too loud. You guys could go watch a movie with Josh if you get bored in here, though.
oh my God, it's purring because of the babies.
That's so sweet. Let's see if we can get this one latched.
I was waiting. This is a bedroom, isn't it? You're supposed to lay down in them. I think Josh is watching the grizzly one. I'm gonna go see it really quick.
Okay.
I think he's watching the mermaid one, like the Ariel one thing. I think he's watching that. Well, let's go see. Okay, we know our Josh. We know his shows too. You want to practice our dancing for when the
Yes, my Venmo is still the same. Thank you so much. You also have 10. That's cool. Did you latch, little sweetheart? I hope so. Oh, perfect. Thank you guys for all the gifts and all the likes and the Venmo. You guys are amazing. You taking a little break, Diamond? I think she's latching. She or he. Good job, baby. Oh, right here. You did so good, Diamond. You're doing great. She's doing so good. I'll hold it. Thank you.
Oh, those babies are cute.
They're so cute.
Yeah, they are so cute.
Diamond, you're doing so good, princess. You take a nice nap. I love your babies. They're beautiful.
The eyes are closed. Do they see?
They don't see for a couple weeks. Oh, they're so precious.
Oh, I can see that one trying to get out. And when they are thirsty, they usually get milk from right here.
Mm-hmm.
And when they are hungry, they can usually, the mom usually gets food, bites the food and brings it over here and spits it out.
Actually, they only drink milk for the first while. Is this her first litter? I'm not sure. She's small, so I'm guessing so. But I'm fostering these guys for a rescue. So we've only actually had her for maybe 4 days. Mm-hmm.
And when these guys are all grown, when those little babies are grown up like their mom,
Mm-hmm.
I'll pick up the black one.
Yeah, you can touch them when they're bigger, but not yet.
Yeah, but at our house when Eddie's cat named Sapphire,
Mm-hmm.
the Siamese cat,
Mm-hmm.
she was a baby and there's 2 more.
There's not 2 more. There's only 2 totally.
Wait, is the black one the 4th?
She's 3rd. She's got Am I okay? I'm a little sad, but yes, I'm okay. Is she okay? Yes, I think she's okay. Thanks for asking. Okay, Google, set thermostat to 72.
All right, setting the thermostat to 72 degrees.
Thank you. I had them all go out and watch TV for now because they were getting a little antsy. This one is very determined. He's still super lax. Good girl, Diamond. You're doing so good, Princess. Yeah, you're gonna have another baby. Your babies are beautiful, Mom. Now she's just like, I'll just take a nap. She's having a contraction. She definitely is. Doing so good, Diamond. Oh, she had another one. It's another white one. Diamond, you have another baby. The baby's right here. Right here, Diamond. There's number 3. And it's moving. Yay. Good job, Diamond. Oh, that one has little black spots on its head. Good job, Diamond. You've got some beautiful children. That's a very cute baby, Mama. Good girl. Good girl. Is this one meowing yet? Good girl, Diamond. Good girl. I hear your baby. It's breathing, I think. I think it meowed. It's definitely moving. Good girl, Diamond. Can I look at your baby? I just worry because of that one, but she's doing good so far. Huh. Hi, little mama. She's had 4, but 1 didn't make it, so 3 are alive. 1 white one, 1 either tabby or calico, and now this white one that looks like it has some black spots on its head. Is your baby okay? A little concerned about this one. You okay, baby? Don't be afraid to take the baby, it's okay. Mama, can I see your baby? Oh, you're doing so good. How you doing, honey? Oh, they're meowing. Okay, here's your mommy. That one's super latched. That little tabby one is very good at latching. Let me check on your new guy. Here you go. Oh my goodness, look at this. Precious. Here's your new one. There's your baby. You got it under control, huh, Diamond? You're doing so good, Mama. Now this one came out without the placenta, I think, so hopefully she births out the placenta soon. Oh, Mama. You're doing so good. Looks like she's still pushing. So she's had 4 babies so far, but 1 didn't make it. So there's 3 here. The more they nurse will help with the contraction to have the baby. Okay, well, this one is a super good latcher. He won't let go. Or she. This tabby. This other little white one, I'm not sure. She hasn't really figured out how to nurse yet. I've tried to help her, but I don't really want to interfere too much. What one died? I can show you if you guys want, but it was stillborn. Anybody who doesn't want to see, look away. This one was stillborn. It's a little white one, and it was born with its intestines out of its body, so it wouldn't have made it regardless. We tried with it, but unfortunately, kittens do have a high mortality rate. Mama, you're doing so good. I'm so proud of you. So pretty. Maybe that one's a calico too. Do I see some orange? I can't tell. Thank you guys for sharing. Hello from California. My name is Lee. Hi, Lee. Look at that face. This was the firstborn. And then this little guy was the secondborn. Oh, that's not true. The thirdborn. And then the one with the little black head was just born. That's your newest baby, huh? Beautiful. You doing? You're doing so good, Diamond. I'm so proud of you. Looks like that one latched. That's awesome. She was having a hard time latching. And thank you for the likes. That one's definitely a calico. I see some orange. She's been being pretty good here. She's had 3 babies. First one's pure white. The second one, I can't tell. You named it Patches. Is your name Patches? You can't name it Patches. I had a dog once that was named Patches, and I think that would be cute too. Oh my goodness, you're precious. You're precious. That one's definitely been nursing, huh?
Does that one have an umbilical cord?
They've all got little bits of umbilical cord. Here comes the white one. He's gonna come steal your boob.
Pearl! A cute Pearl.
She just stole your boob.
Pearl just stole the boob. Cute. What do we name the one with a little bit of black on its head?
We haven't named it yet.
I'm gonna name it Black Spot.
You are.
Yeah, Black Spot. Or Spotty. I'm gonna name it Spotty. Yeah, Spotty. There's a new kitten and I named it Spotty.
Now the white one's definitely nursing. She just came and stole the nipple from the one with the black spot. What, now you're gonna steal the next one? They're already fighting over who gets what nipple. Good girl, Diamond. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. That is so sweet. Little if you want, but she's kind of resting, so maybe we shouldn't too much. I think she'll have one more. Am I keeping any? Probably not.